And welcome to this second updated Zoom tutorial for Moravian College. It is August of 2020. In the previous Zoom tutorial, I showed you how to log into Zoom using our single sign-on and how to successfully schedule a meeting. In this tutorial, I will show you how to start the meeting that you have scheduled. I'm going to start with Zoom on the web, and then I will also show you the Zoom client. So here I've, like the previous tutorial, logged into Zoom using the single sign-on, and I can see the test meeting that I created in that tutorial. I'm going to select Start. My web client will ask if I want to allow it to open, and I will allow it. Now, the most important thing is to never bypass this screen. If you close this or ignore it, it will mean that you will not have audio. So you want to always select this blue bar that says Join with Computer Audio. And that is it. I have now successfully started my meeting using Zoom on the web. I'm going to end this here to show you the alternative way to start a meeting, which is through the Zoom client. So as of August 2020, this is what the client looks like. If I have already scheduled my meeting, I can go up to Meetings, and here I see that test meeting I created, and I can start it right from here. Again, always select Join with Computer Audio. And those are your two options for starting a meeting. In the next tutorial, I am going to show you this meeting, and we're going to go over these functions and some settings that you should check from left to right. So see you in the next tutorial.